Today, we'll learn about Coulomb's law. Before we start, please make sure you subscribe to us. It'll help us a lot. Coulomb's law is a fundamental principle in electromagnetism that describes the electrostatic interaction between electric charges. It was formulated by French physicist Charles-Augustin de Coulomb in the late 18th century. Coulomb's law states that the force between two-point charges is directly proportional to the product of the magnitudes of the charges and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. The mathematical expression of Coulomb's law is typically written as F is equal to kq1q2 upon r square, where F is the electrostatic force between the two charges. Q1 and Q2 are the magnitudes of the two-point charges. R is the distance between the two charges. K is Coulomb's constant, a fundamental constant of nature. Key points to remember about Coulomb's law. 1. The force is attractive if the charges have opposite signs, one positive and one negative, and repulsive if the charges have the same sign, both positive or both negative. 2. The force becomes stronger as the magnitudes of the charges increase. 3. The force decreases as the distance between the charges increases. It follows the inverse square law, meaning that doubling the distance between the charges reduces the force to 1/4 of its original value. This was all about Coulomb's law. Thank you for watching. See you soon.